Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a historical building you have been to. You should say where it is, what it looks like, what it is used for now, what you learned there, and how you felt about this historical building. The Red Fort, located in Delhi, India, is among the most impressive historical structures I have ever seen. An iconic representation of India's rich history and architectural genius, this majestic building was constructed in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The fort, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is situated in the center of Old Delhi. With its enormous red sandstone walls, elaborate carvings, and exquisitely crafted domes and arches, it is a monument to the magnificence of Mughal architecture. Lahori Gate, the main entry, opens into a busy marketplace where guests can browse traditional goods and trinkets. The Red Fort is now a well-liked tourist destination and a location for formal events. It is a location of enormous national importance because the Prime Minister of India gives a speech from its ramparts every year on Independence Day. There are other areas within the fort, such as the magnificent Rang Mahal, which formerly housed the royal women, Diwan-i-Am, the Hall of Public Audience, and Diwan-i-Khas, the Hall of Private Audience. The fort also houses a museum that offers profound insights into India's illustrious past by showcasing Mughal-era relics, weapons, and paintings. I gained a lot of knowledge about the Mughal Empire, its emperors, and their contributions to Indian architecture, art, and culture when I was there. The fort's architecture, which combines Timurid, Indian, and Persian designs, demonstrates the highly developed creative and technical abilities of the era. I could just picture the regal life that once thrived there as I strolled around its expansive courtyards and exquisitely decorated halls. I was in awe of India's historical legacy after the visit, and I was grateful for the efforts done to keep such significant structures intact. I was incredibly proud of and in awe of my nation's rich cultural past.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.